I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. As we work through the Grade 3 Discovering Music Theory workbook, we now move on to page 25. This is chapter 4 where we discuss the topic of keys and scales. And we move on to learn two new major key signatures. And so in the previous grades, we've already learned that C major has no sharps or flats. G major has F sharps. D major has F sharps and C sharps. A major has F sharps, C sharps, G sharps. And now we have E major, which has F, C, G and D sharps. Notice that as we progress through the keys, we add one sharp. So one sharp is always F sharp. Two sharps is F sharp plus C sharp. Three sharps is F sharp, C sharp plus G sharp. And so now we have F, C, G sharps plus a D sharp. And it's interesting to note that as we progress through these keys, we actually count up 5 every time. So you can see here, C major has no sharps, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G major has 1 sharp, and then if we count 5 from G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D major has 2 sharps. Count 5 from D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A major has 3 sharps, and then if we count up from A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E major has 4 sharps, so we count up in fifths, and each time we add a sharp. Now we count backwards now to keep adding a flat. So in previous grades we'd learned that C major has no flats, F major has 1 flat, B flats, B flat major has B flats and E flats, E flat major has B flats, E flats, A flats, and A flat major, our new key, has B, E, A, D flats. And you can see that we count backwards in 5. So if we count from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that takes us to F with 1 flat. And then counting back from 5 from F, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to go a full step to B flats. We want that full step to finish the 5th. B flat has 2 flats. Counting from B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's E flat from B flat to E flat. And then counting back again from E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E flat to A flat gives us our 4 flats. And we can see that we're always adding 1. So 1 flat is always B flats. 2 flats is always B flat plus E flats. 3 flats is always B, E plus A flats, and so 4 flats is B, E, A flats plus D flats. And so we can count backwards in 5s, and that's called the circle of fifths, where we're counting up in 5s to add the sharps, counting backwards in 5s to add the flats. However, at the end of the day, you just need to memorize these key signatures and be aware of what key signature each major scale requires. Now, a major scale, if you remember, literally just means step. We are stepping up the ladder. We can see that in any scale, we just literally step up, line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. We're just adding up, working up in steps, step by step. It's the major scale pattern. Because the major scale pattern we learned in grades 1 and in grade 2, and so in grade 3 the major scale is still always the major scale, where we have a full step, a half a step, full step, full step, full step, half a step. So we have tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That's what makes it the major scale pattern. And we add these sharps to make this tone, tone, semitone pattern recur, and we add the sharps in the key signature to make that work out from whatever our starting note is. And so we know that in the major scale, degrees 3 to 4 and 7 to 8 are always our semitones. And so it's always the major scale, it's just that now we're starting on a different note, and so we need an extra sharp or an extra flat to make that pattern work out. And so it's exactly the same in the bass clef. 3 to 4, 7 to 8 are our our semitones. So we've got full step tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And so the same will be true starting on A flat. If we remember our key signature of B, E, A, D flats, 3 to 4, 7 to 8 are our semitones. And so the degrees of the scale, just count up the ladder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, getting an octave. And remember, tonic is the first, the home note. The root word is tone, key. Tonic, our home note, we must begin and end on that tonic note. And that's the same, of course, whether it's the treble clef or the bass clef. A major scale is always a major scale. And so we just need to revise these key signatures. These are all the major key signatures that you will be asked to require, and you will need to know these in grade 3. So I would suggest that you just take a moment to revise those key signatures, and then you will have those key signatures to hand, ready to move on to the next and the following exercises. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and for advert-free lessons you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.